January 12, 2023. This is another issue I constantly find when I shut down and restart Apogee Control 2 or the computer altogether. The gain volumes don't stay where they previously were. I have never used 62 and 56. Never. It's way too high for any of my microphones. So I'm right now in the process of just setting up my microphones for a session. And I just turn them on and I'm like, I have to remind myself to go in and check to make sure the volume is low, because for some spontaneous reason, it raises the volume. Instead of defaulting to 0 or just defaulting to the original value that was in there, it goes to some really screwy high number, and it ends up feedbacking and of course hurting my ears when I don't check. If I don't check that, I end up doing that. So, and the speakers go off. This is an issue too. I don't understand why they can't use the original values or just default to 0 if it doesn't know what to use. But certainly not increase it by 20, 30 dBs, because it's going to cause damage to speakers. It's illogical. So that's another issue I've noticed with Apogee Control 2. I'm not sure if it's the software or if it's something else. Is it the Apogee Symphony that defaults to that? I'm not sure, but something happens. I have never used those values before. Never. Okay, and based on what I'm seeing, 62 and 56, the previous setup was like 32 and 36. So it went up by 20 decibels just on its own. So that's something that needs to be checked into as well.